In the function purchase request, let's go to search mode, and you'll notice that we already have a preview of purchase requests that are currently recent, and we could look at the details of that if we wanted to, or we have the option just clicking on the search button and a form is here, and we don't even need to enter any information. It just shows everything, all purchase requests that relate to the type of industry that we're in. If we chose to limit that search, maybe less is more in this case, maybe you just want to find people trying to buy used things or trying just to buy new things, or non-applicable, whatever the case is. State where needed. If you're in Texas, you might want to just look for Texas items. Buyer type, maybe you only sell to end users, maybe you sell to dealers or just members, whatever that is. And the date that this purchase request was entered. So for instance, if you're looking at a purchase request on a daily basis, maybe you only want to look at yesterday's and today's, or the last time you looked was 2 weeks ago and you want to see all the current from 2 weeks up to current. However you want to do that, there's a little pop-up that you can select different ones. And then purchase request ID, if you know a specific one you're trying to find, hey, you want to show the boss a particular purchase request, let's look up one and show that person without having to go through all the gyrations of finding it. And maybe you're just looking for certain types of equipment that a person's trying to buy. Maybe you sell only carts and you can look up carts and do that. So those are all possibilities for yourself. So anyway, in our results page of purchase request, you can see that they're all equipment sales because this member is an equipment sales member. And item ID 11, not caring if it's new or used. And location, when the request ends, he happens to be a member that posted this purchase request. And we're going to go to the details button. Notice the help window again. Details button, we show all the information we just said, and description, specifics, photograph, maybe as an example of what he's looking for. We can send him a message if we're looking for more detail of what we're looking for to clarify so we can give the correct proposal that we need to. And of course, we're going to submit our proposal here. You can give it a title if you like, description, all the details of your proposal, and the purchase price of the item without any commas, and pricing context, meaning is it by each or whatever is appropriate in this case is each. And then you go to your choose a file, which drop down box for your state, of course, and then choose a file for a photograph that pertains to your proposal, and you get that off your hard drive typically. And video clips if you have any, maybe YouTube video to embed as an example of this, maybe as you know, a forklift moving and they get to see it operating. Web link for more information, maybe on your website or another website for more information. Attachment that is on your hard drive that you upload to the Whipex website, so we have immediate information at the fingertips, and you submit, and that proposal will be shown for the person submitting that purchase request, and they can see your proposal, and if they like what you've done, they will contact you. But at this point, that purchase request user is anonymous. You don't know who that is. It could be Frito-Lay, it could be a mom and pop store next door. You don't know. And they're not going to review themselves until they like what you've told them. At that point, when they contact you, all information will be revealed. So there we have it. Search.